all the weed whacker read.
Oh, this is shocking. This is very shocking.
I'm not doing this. It's serious. Believe me, it's serious. You can probably start a lemonade stand to get some funds raised, don't?
They come here freely, but obviously they haven't been here in a while.
Yes, you can't sleep at night because of the house.
But they're just breaking out.
Hold on there. Are you? This changes nothing. This changes nothing. Hey neighbors, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And before we even go any further, this is a thought for the day. Perspective. So behind me, you see this nice, lovely view, don't? Nice view. But perspective is a hell of a thing, you know, because watch here. You can choose to look at the beauty, or you can choose to just single out this little spot right here, this brown spot right there, which is really a dump. That's the Riverton dump behind me. As far as I know, it's Riverton dump, where all the garbage from the corporate area goes and settles and is, yeah, it's just put there. So I could fix my eyes on this and say, boy, you know, it look bad and all this brown and area, it just look unpleasant and it's the dump, and or I can choose to look at the clouds. I can choose to look at the nice hills behind me. I can just choose to appreciate the view generally of the Caribbean Sea and all that is going on behind me. So the thought for today is really learn how to fix your eyes on something that is positive. You have problems around you, everybody does. But fix your eyes on a problem solver. Change your perspective to something that is, yeah, more pleasant. So change your perspective and focus on what is positive. Focus on the creator, the problem solver, and things will be better. Don't focus on the little dump in your life that you think is just a big mess. Yes, there is Rivertons in everybody's life, a place that is full of waste and you want to get rid of, and oh my gosh, why me right now, Lord? But there's so much more to be appreciative of in life, and we're going to start the week by being more appreciative. So drop in the comments something that you are really appreciative for, even though things are not 100% perfect. Drop in the comments to show God that you're grateful. All right, let's kick off the vlog right now.
So neighbors, how are you doing? It's a Saturday afternoon and I'm here with Mr. Reed, the one and only.
Woo! For all the weed whacker read. Thank you for all your comments,
Yes.
Everybody started with Tina, I realized, but you know, I think there was one person who said, Paul, I think you can do it.
Yes,
but
yes.
It's okay.
Oh, everybody side with the practicality. That is what everybody side with. It's not just Tina them side with. Everybody was thinking of you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Y'all love him, don't
Somebody
it?
said to save my back for Tina.
Yeah, that's right. I know exactly which comment that was.
Yeah, save my back for Tina. The bestest.
No.
That was the bestest.
Jabols.
Jabol said it too?
Yes.
The bestest said it too. So yeah, I think we're going to take your advice. The weed whacker is not an option for the main kind of a thing, and for this first thing, we still want to just make sure that I am not able to do it, even if we got a weed whacker or the riding mower.
Yeah.
We need to just verify that it is, you know, achievable for somebody like me, or for 2 people or 3 people. So we're actually on our way now. Tell me where we're going. We're going to the house.
Yeah.
To see, just to hide the grasses.
Yeah.
And the extent of the
job.
the labor that needs to go into it. I don't think my back alone can sort it out.
For sure, his back alone cannot sort it out. But there is so much more that also needs to be done. And we're gonna take you guys and kind of show you around and let you see, because it's not just a lawn. It's not just a lawn that will need to be trimmed. There is actually a fruit orchard on the property, and that is a good
That we need to
probably 3/4 of an acre.
That we need to separate it.
Yes.
Right.
So somebody said we need to separate what?
The lawn area from the farming area.
Right.
And he was basically saying, what I understood that he was saying was that, you know, Paul can maintain the lawn, but then somebody right when the fruit orchard part gets bad, but we won't let it get out of hand again.
Yeah. It won't get, certainly won't get to this level. So we're driving through Maypen now on our way to the house, and I'm gonna be looking out to see if I see any farm store or so equipment rental place that might have stuff like that for rent, you know, the riding lawnmower or the weed whackers and stuff like that, because my thing is that okay, is he all together well?
I don't think so.
Somebody just step out in the road, just so the busy road where Kara drive up and down pan. My thing is, if we don't have to keep and maintain the equipment, then why bother? If we can,
and we'd have to purchase it outright. We'd have to purchase it outright and spend how much? Hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy it.
Right.
Just get it when we need it, once a month or twice a month. And that's what you're thinking.
Right, and then we would use it depending on the cost to rent it though, obviously. Because if it's affordable to rent for a day and you're only going to be using it maybe once per month, you know, or maybe more frequently, and like maybe once per month. I mean we cut grass more often than that. Yeah, we don't expect say it's going to grow up to such an extent that we're going to need to be doing anything more than that. And anything more than that, we can always use the brush cutter, what they call it, weed whacker, in between.
Right. So weed whacker is for the light lifting, but for the heavy lifting, for the serious stuff, the once a month thing, we're going to still need the access to riding more. But I think we'll still need our personal weed whacker to, you know, touch up.
Yeah. So I mean, we're looking at the options right now, and we got great suggestions from you guys. Some of you even said, some person said, we must rent from China. We could have buy it from China and import it from China. No, what I mean is, if you were bringing in a car, you know, would I probably do something like that? If not China, then maybe America. I mean, the options are there. The fact is,
somebody else said we should ask for it. Ask for some support.
There you go.
She suggested
yes.
What are the names? The cash thing.
So yes, so we got many suggestions. We got a bunch of suggestions from one person, Auntie Karen, who suggested that we are here as content creators providing content. Why don't we ask for, you know, contributions to our little project here, you know,
or
PayPal,
seek sponsorship,
seek sponsorship. So seek sponsorship. There is PayPal, super chats, which I don't think we have access to just yet. I don't know what it is. Maybe we have access and don't even know. We could set up our own little tip jar. As a content creator.
What's that?
I don't know. I guess there are various ways we could set up a tip jar. Is it, Auntie Karen, is it a real tip jar, or is it a thing called a tip jar?
Yeah, is it a website
or a platform or something? Yeah. You seem to know more about this.
Well, we thank you for the suggestions, neighbors, and we're looking into everything. But enough talking. When you reach, we'll show you what we're going.
Yeah. See you in a bit. Well, this is the tallest I've ever seen it. Wow, look at even the weeds.
I don't know what I was thinking now.
Look. You see how, guys, you see, this is the window of the car, and this is how he can reach out and touch the lawn as he passes Bye.
I honestly don't know where to park.
Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I've never seen it this high. What? It's overtaken by weeds. Oh, this is shocking. This is very shocking. This is actually very shocking.
Oh, turn to yourself.
Oh my gosh, a field of weeds. It's like knee high.
Alright, so I'm not doing this. Not by myself. Not with no lawnmower. This need manpower. So
This is need professional.
yeah,
Effort.
three, at least probably 3 people to get this done. The first time, and we can't make it this way again.
No, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure, for sure,
Come.
for sure.
It's serious. Believe me, it's serious. My back couldn't manage this at all. So, the plan is to get something done. Emergency procurement. And get it sorted out quickly so we can have the landscape sorted out. That is, we can figure out the rest of it afterwards.
Yeah.
The rain is here, so we have to make it quick.
Yeah, and lightning a flash too.
Show them how going to read.
No, I don't want to really go, but I don't have on nothing there. I skirt me have on, so.
Oh my god. Oh,
Yeah,
here.
just show them, just generally, just show them the complication of it, you know?
So how it is right now, this is the house. And this will be at the main lawn area.
Yeah, so it's about half an acre of just lawn.
Right. But then to the left side or left wing, we have an orchard with all manner of trees. Mango tree. What kind of tree this?
I'm not even sure.
So we have sweet sop, sour sop. And beyond here, we're able to go beyond here to see our neighbor's fence and other trees like lime tree, ackee tree. But as you can see, everything is just very, yeah, it's very bushy.
Yeah, and these trees need pruning too, babe.
Yeah, the trees are going to need to be pruned. A lot of work, but we're excited. I'm excited because I'm excited, man. No.
Because imagine.
We can turn it into what we need it to be. That's the beauty of it. And honestly, I'm happy. Thank you, Lord, for the rain. This is a blessed piece of land. And then on top of that, we are here. And if we doubted before that we were favored of God, I don't think Tina has any doubt in her mind that we are favored people. And we're sure that God will help us turn it into whatever He needs it to be. And we're honestly just excited to see what the end result is going to turn out as. But yeah, as we're walking through, there's a lot here that will be done, but just one step at a time. I'm going to try to get it done next week with the help of some experienced people. As I said, so some lime here. So we can open a lemonade stand. We can probably start a lemonade stand to get some funds raised, don't? But yeah, the work cut out, and we're here for it. We're ready for it. Babe, what were you saying? What were you saying? Come, talk to the people. Yeah.
Yeah, the rain is coming down, but I know that we're blessed. It's a lot of land and it's a lot of work, but to me, I am just imagining the children being here in the summertime and all the fruits are in season and they're picking. I set up, the previous owner loved fruit trees and planted a lot of fruit trees, but I want to add some ornamental plants in little beds. I love the lawn for the children, for them to ride them bicycle safely, So be good with that. But what I want to do is create little zones, you know, where we can just sit down and enjoy and tend to some plants. I have no whole heap of experience, but me intend to learn. And Mr. Farmer George over here will be learning also. Somebody mentioned getting goats to weed the place, to eat the weeds. It's not a bad idea, and we've actually thought about it. Maybe not in a very serious way, but perhaps we should, because there are people in the community with goats. I mean, they come here freely, but obviously they haven't been here in a while, or else the place wouldn't have gotten like this.
I think last time I run them out to the place, remember? I run them out to the place, so they're like, you know what?
Kippy.
We were helping you, but it's alright, you don't want the help.
Right. Oh, this is a pomegranate tree, you know?
Pomegranate.
Whatever. Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Are you sure?
This is, I think so. It looks like
It
a
looks that way,
pomegranate. Yeah. Right. And see all you see all the palm trees
Palm
just
trees
look
are nice,
lush
yeah.
and lovely. Man.
When Tina finished with this place, man. Trust me, Tina can't sleep at night because of the house. Think it's joke.
It's in a positive way. Don't make them think that the house keeping me up at night and I'm worrying. It's me.
It's not worry. It's just it's
me and Pinterest.
yeah. She's just trying to compile her ideas.
Yes.
And she's a very organized person when it comes to, you know, getting things done, projects and all that thing. So she is the better person to, you know, kind of organize and see what we want to achieve.
Yeah.
And she
I
say,
have a
hey, Polly,
vision.
like this or not. And you
Yeah.
know me, I'm a very simple guy.
Very laid back.
So she would have all the, you know, option A, B, C, D, E.
Yeah, listen, I wouldn't be a good wife if I didn't make for us a nice home where we could just relax and enjoy and be at peace, you know? So that's my goal, baby. I'm doing it for you.
Okay.
And me, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, but I just love, even though it bush up, but I just love when I'm here and the place is just green and lush like this.
Because when I get dry, and I get dry.
Yeah, chip dry.
Chip dry brown. You just see.
Brown everywhere.
Yeah.
So to me, this is actually fine. I'm okay with it being like this. If only we could get all of these weeds out and just focus on like this grass. Cause look, you see this grass here?
This is Zaza? Zaza
no,
grass?
This is not Zaza. I don't know what it is. But if everything could have been like this,
Or
and
like
it just
this.
this one.
Yeah, this one is nice, right? It doesn't grow.
No, I actually love this one
The spiky ones?
Yeah, because it grows and it spreads out flat. So it just covers in a nice tuft, but it doesn't get high.
I prefer those.
It seems to be a mix that they have. That's all over this.
So is there a way to get rid of these neighbors? Like these little things that you pick in the fields and it just looks so.
And they're seeding, you know, so that's the next problem.
There's so many of them.
They're seeding, so they're going to just be worse. So all of these heads are just.
So that's a problem. We don't mind the greenery, but these things here, them can pick up still. Hold on there. Hold on there. You sort of seen right here. Take a look.
But they're just breaking off.
Hold on there. Are you? Yep. Let's see if we can both. Let us spend 3 minutes and see how much we can get. All right. Start the clock. We never make a dent. This changes nothing. Yeah, so I think we need to go now.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we are stopping before we head home at Murray's. Car park kind of look a little crowded. ATM?
Rockstone.
Oh, what you saying?
Big top on the people they run a place here, man.
Well, they don't want you to not buy if you don't have any cash.
If their machine isn't working.
If their machine isn't working and you don't have any cash, I mean.
Right.
It's right there.
Let's go. Babies are on the back already.
They really look like it stopped.
Stopping the films. Alright, so it's raining. I'm not going to let the children and Tina come out. So, I'm going to get on. It's a grab and go kind of moment. But I never know over here stays so nice. Alright, afternoon. I'm going to get a quarter chicken, half pork, quarter sausage. So, I think it wasn't a good time for them. Really wanted to try the rabbit. The rabbit never go on it. So we'll never get to try the rabbit.
Oh no.
Yeah, but I hope the food tastes good. But I already want to try the rabbit still, but next time. So let's eat.
Yeah. So this is straight chicken.